Cormy, is the pirate ship coming? Cora!
Hi, Cora.
Getting on a pirate ship. Pretty awesome.
You like it?
I didn't realize you guys had dishes and stuff back there. Your refrigerator is pretty awesome.
I made it.
Cocoa Puffs. What does that say?
No, I did that. This isn't the refrigerator. I did the bottom stuff and she did the top.
What is that
I
one?
also did the pickles.
Shrap in Sioux Falls?
No, shredded spoonfuls.
This was
Excellent. What are
awesome.
these? Oh, your fork, knife, and
We
spoon.
have a hot dog and a pizza. And there's a chicken in the oven and a fish. And there's the refrigerator. It says homies.
It says Homies. Homies yogurt.
T, what are you doing there?
Hummus.
Ah. Cormy's waving at the pirates here.
This is our bed. This is our bed. There's a pillow.
Oh, that's awesome.
And this is
We'll
a
do a
bed.
little slideshow.
This is so great, John.
Maybe this weekend.
Can we,
you
Mama,
for doing
can we do this on Halloween and decorate it with evil stuff?
Oh, that's a good idea.
And drive around
We're
town?
gonna